Welcome back to Truehost Academy, your go-to source for everything digital marketing. In today's video, we're looking into a key element for boosting your business in 2024, crafting an email marketing content strategy that works. Did you know that for every dollar spent on email marketing, businesses can see a return of up to $44? That's a massive opportunity, but to make the most of email marketing, you need the right strategy. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Understanding your audience. This is the foundation of any successful email marketing campaign. Who are they? What do they want? Knowing your audience helps you create content that truly resonates with them. You can gather insights through surveys, social media monitoring, and analytics from your email platform. This data will help you deliver tailored content that keeps your subscribers engaged and reduces those dreaded unsubscribe rates. Step 2. Segmenting your audience. Segmentation allows you to group your subscribers by their interests, demographics, or even behavior. Why does this matter? Imagine receiving an email about a product you actually care about. You're much more likely to engage, right? That's the power of segmentation. Targeted emails deliver 6 times higher transaction rates compared to generic ones. Step 3. Setting smart goals. Using the SMART framework, specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound, will help keep your campaigns focused. Let's say you want to boost your open rates. A SMART goal would be something like increase open rates by 10% over the next 3 months by testing new subject lines. This way, your goals are actionable and trackable. Step 4. Crafting compelling content. Your email needs to grab attention. Think about offering value through newsletters, promotions, or educational content that keeps your readers coming back for more. Don't forget about your subject lines. Keep them short, use action words, and if possible, personalize them. Remember, your content should not only inform, but also engage. Step 5. Designing effective campaigns. The design of your emails plays a big role too. Make sure your emails are mobile friendly, include clear calls to action, and use visuals to keep things interesting. Visual elements like images and videos can be powerful, but keep them optimized for faster load times. A/B testing can also help you figure out which designs get the best response. Step 6. Automating your campaigns. Automation is your best friend in email marketing. It saves you time while ensuring consistent communication with your subscribers. Welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, or follow-up messages after purchases. Automation keeps your audience engaged without you lifting a finger. Step 7. Analyzing your success. Finally, look at metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to see what's working and what needs tweaking. By understanding your data, you can refine your campaigns and keep improving, ensuring that your emails continue to drive results. In conclusion, a successful email marketing campaign begins with understanding your audience and using insights to tailor your content. Segmenting your subscribers based on their interests or behavior helps boost engagement, while setting SMART goals keeps your campaign focused and measurable. Crafting compelling content with attention-grabbing subject lines and valuable information is key, and well-designed, mobile-friendly emails enhance user experience. Automation streamlines the process, keeping subscribers engaged without extra effort. Finally, tracking key metrics helps you refine your strategy, ensuring continuous improvement and better results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips from Truehost Academy. See you in the next video.